Hey everyone, it's me Gavin, and this will be a video on how to activate a sound file whenever you're holding on a button, and then immediately when you stop, it's going to stop playing. This is useful for things like running around the map or just in general sounds like cars or running or etc. Alright, now I'm just going to get started. So let's go from defaults to game logic like this and go from Blender render to Blender game. And on this cube right here, what we're going to do is add an always sensor, and let's add a mouse sensor. I'll rename this mouse one as click. And I'll minimize this, click these first three dots on the always sensor, connect these to a Python controller, and connect like this. Alright, now that we have this, let's add a sound actuator. Sounds like this. I'll rename this as sound all lowercase. I'm going to hit open right here, and I'm going to add a sound effect right here. Now that we have this, let's set it at, I'll just set loop stop. How about this? And I'll have two like this for the sound volume, and I'll connect it like this. Let's now do templates Python, then game logic simple. And what we're going to do is delete the portion I have highlighted right here, and hit Control and scroll up to make your text larger, and rename this as scripts.py. Minimize this, and let's define our click and our sound. So let's have click is going to be equal controller.sensors click, and sound is going to be equal controller.actuators sound. Alright, now that we have this, let's add the script right here, and what we're going to do is let's have if click.positive, so if we're holding down the left mouse button, positive, we're going to const.activates sound, and if we're not holding down that mouse button, we're going to do const.deactivates sounds like this. And it's important that we deactivate it, otherwise it won't deactivate. So let's hit P now, and I'll hold down the left mouse button. And then when I let go, it stops. And as you can see, I hope that wasn't too loud, but as you can see, I'll do it one more time. And it will stop the second we let go. Alright, so this is how you activate a sound file only when you're holding down a button. I hope you guys find this very useful. Here's the script just for one more second. And there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone.